Every funded trader starts with the same dream. Give me capital and I'll prove I'm a pro. Then reality hits. Overtrading, trailing drawdowns, emotional landmines, gone in a week. The problem isn't the rules, it's the mindset. Most traders don't blow up because they're bad. They blow up because they treat funded accounts like game tokens, not capital. Here's what usually happens. Sign up for 2 or 3 evaluations. Trade like there's infinite ammo. Feel safe until one bad day. Then it's revenge trades. Broken rules. I'll just restart. That's not growth, that's a loop. But what if you treated one account like your only shot? What if you said 1 trade per day, make it count? 500 a day, non 10K month. Trailing drawdown? It's a license, not a cushion. Now the goal isn't to pass. It's to protect the payout path. Structure it. 1 account here, 1 setup. No revenge trades, no stacking. Discipline by design. People hate the 20-35% consistency rule. But maybe it's not a trap, it's a test. If you can't stop after a win, you don't deserve the payout. Most don't fail the system. They fail the mirror. Performance traders want to impress. Payout traders want to withdraw. The future? 2-3 high conviction trades a week, 1 to 2 accounts. $2,500 payouts again and again. This isn't about passing. It's about preserving capital and scaling it. Maybe the secret to funded trading is acting like you'll never get another chance. 1 shot. Make it count. 1 shot, make it count. If you're ready to stop the cycle and trade like it's your only chance, we'll show you how. Join our funded trader mentorship. The first 30 days are free. No fluff, no games, just structure, capital protection, and consistency. This isn't about passing. It's about payouts.